Now we're going to learn to make a sound. This will incorporate the three things we've talked about already: air, embouchure, and articulation. For now, we're just going to use our mouthpiece. First, remember air, taking a good controlled breath. Next, embouchure, M. Finally, articulation. Don't forget the air behind the articulation. Let's try that without the mouthpiece first. Now with the mouthpiece. Placing the mouthpiece over where the air wants to escape your lips. Air, embouchure, articulation. To make the pitch higher, you want to tighten your lips and make the air a little faster. To make the pitch lower, you want to loosen your lips and make the air a little slower. If you cycle between the two, you'll hear the difference. Practice that on your own.